NREGA analysis. NREGA stands for National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It aims to be a powerful weapon against rural unemployment and poverty, guarantee work opportunities for families. But is NREGA working well everywhere? We are not entirely sure. That's why we are going to use data to see how NREGA is doing in different parts of India, like states and districts. By looking at this data, we can find places where NREGA is strong and places where it needs improvement. This will help us make NREGA even better at fighting poverty and unemployment in rural areas. Dataset information. To understand how well NREGA is working across India, we have gathered a massive data set from the government. This data covers all the states and districts, and it includes the information on NREGA in 28 different areas. Here is the variable description for 28 columns. Dashboard. Instead of long reports that are hard to understand, imagine a single screen that shows the most important information. That's the dashboard. It uses charts, graphs, and even maps to make the data clear and easy to explore. Think of it like a visual summary you can click and play with to learn more. Tools like Tableau and Power BI help create this dashboard, making complex data accessible to everyone. I used Tableau to build the dashboard. Here is the dashboard. It gives the information about the Gujarat state. You can click on any state and provide the information. Later on, we can see it live. Insights. We will analyze the data for each state and district, like job cards. Give the information about how many families are signed up for work opportunities. Workers. About how many people are actually working on NREGA projects. Impacts. How many households and individuals are benefiting. Project completion. It gives the number of completed projects. Money matters too. So we will look at how much money is being spent on NREGA in each district. Fairness. Is everyone getting a chance to work? We will track the opportunities for disadvantaged groups and women, and also focus on how much money is going towards farming and related activities. Finally, we will see how budgets are allocated, how much money is set aside for workers' wages in each district. By looking at all this data, we can understand NREGA's strengths and weaknesses and make it even better tool for fighting poverty and unemployment in rural India. We see it live demo. Here is the publish link. You can also explore it. Just a second. Click on this button and now it gives the Bihar state information. You can also click Gujarat, then according to gives the Gujarat state information, like Gandhinagar is the 60.75% expander. Then you can also scroll it and select it like Odisha. Then you can also scroll down and it's like this district has the highest average labor budget. That's all about it. Thank you.